Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Vociferous Photography Garage. I bought a 2006 Chevy Cobalt with a stick shift, and today we have ignition lock cylinder tumbler problem, and I had to fashion a tool to remove the lock cylinder, and the paper clip is too thin, too weak, and the coat hanger is too thick. And what I found that works, and you have to, I saw a guy on YouTube that had the GM tool, and I just fashioned it at the angles and made my own homemade tool out of a 1.21 Allen key. Removing the steering wheel column covers is just 3 bolts, and it's fairly straightforward. And then you have the ignition lock cylinder exposed. And I already have it out, but you have 2 holes. And the first hole is the one you want, and you take your tool and put it in straight with the cylinder, like that. And then you put it in all the way, and then you turn it to this towards the engine compartment, and then you pull up, and it'll release it, and then you can pull it out. I had to try it a few times. I had to try it a few times, but it's pretty simple. And there you go. I do all my own work to make sure that it's done, because you're supposed to get 2 free oil changes from GM when you buy a new car. And I took it to the local dealer at 5,000 miles to have my free oil change, and then I changed it at 9,000 miles because I was going to go on a trip, and I was sad to learn that they didn't perform the oil change. The oil was pitch black, it had the original filter, and the drain plug was very tight. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Vociferous Photography Garage.